Today we are making cumin lamb. Tender, spicy, and very aromatic. Slice the lamb thin. About 5 mm thick. Season with black pepper. Chili powder. Cumin powder. Add Xinjiang wine. Light soy sauce. 1 egg white. And cornstarch. Mix well. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. For the spicy mix, cumin powder, chili powder, white sesame seeds, cumin seeds, and a little salt. Chop onion and ginger. Cut spring onion. Keep the white part. Chop coriander. Heat oil on low. Add Sichuan peppercorns. Once fragrant, remove them. Turn to high heat. Add the lamb. Stir fry quickly. When most pieces change color, take them out. Add ginger and onion. Stir until fragrant. Return the lamb. Add the spice mix. Spring onion. And coriander. Toast everything together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple recipes.